Watch my face. Okay, I'm just gonna grab.
Just your hand in there.
I'm gonna grab my bird. Who's outside, and I'm gonna put him on the ground.
Oh.
Go on the ground, and I'll get Mum to pass me the thing. Good boy. Yeah. Yep.
Why is it flashing?
Oh, it's meant to be flashing. Okay, sorry. Mum just handed me the camera back and she didn't know what was happening, but it's still going. What are you doing? He's going to make a good shot at getting up. And by the way, his wings are clipped, which I am sad about doing, but his old owner did it. And there's this strict thing, none of our animals are bought from pet stores. Bobby and Judy we rescued. Frankie was a breed, a lady who'd had him. Winter was a breeder. Oh, and Sophia was a pet store, but she was like more expensive because she was in good shape and stuff. So, but I felt bad about that. But where is it going? Oh, there. And with the other, and we're getting a guinea pig from a breeder as well. So, wait, come here. But yeah, so he'll climb up, and when he gets up, I'll just finish. This is going to be a little short, funny video just to see what Mum just told me to make him do. Pretty Boy, the dance. Okay. That's pretty. Woo! 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 That's scratch, scratch. Oh my! Hang on, he says. Ready? Ready? That's scratch, scratch, scratch. Woo! Okay, that's him saying goodbye.